The billionaire Joey. The billionaire Ned. Odogu.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here on the channel. Anyway, this one is from the pre-birthday party of Nwata na Onyenze. I am talking of no other person but Emoney. Yes, the Emoney of Africa, the Emoney of Igbo land. Yes, he did his pre-birthday party and it was a complete shutout out there. Anyway, I'll be bringing to you the highlight of how it went down there. It was here in Lagos at the Askamaya club. It had this new club they just opened there and he was invited. It is called JuskAsk club in Lagos, Nigeria, and they brought him in as the opening for the opening ceremony and also a pre-birthday party. I think maybe it's a partnership or possibly someone who owns the club knows him. And yeah, it was a wonderful night out there. The highlight and everything is what I'll be bringing to you here, and also a previous video of some of his previous doings in Lagos, Nigeria.
Jowizaza! Hey! Jowizaza! Joey! No.
Of Africa. Okay.
Watching a mellow.
The billionaire Joey. The billionaire Ned. Odogu. You people came with energy. Who's on listening?
We are here. Oh, are you serious? Yes. Never seen him.
We're going crazy tonight. All I have is billionaire friends.
Inside my home, you see, you have great mother.
even as Emoney set to turn 40, his convoy is still one of the biggest convoy and entertainer of his kind you can ever imagine. Okay, look at this arrival at this Askamaya new club, JuskAsk. You saw the way he came in with the likes of Jowizaza, came in with the likes of Ned Okonkwo, and a lot of other people. And yes, this is how he has been doing it for years, and now he is going into the 40s, so it's something more bigger and more better for the bigger boys themselves. Anyway, it was a wonderful time out there, a night filled with fun, laughter, you know, just spending money, spending good money. And the other part where you saw with K Wonder Ultimate is also one of his previous lifestyle that he has lived so far. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment